Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Oh, we got a firecracker right here. It's a 1969 Dodge Dart Swinger. It's got the potent 340 under the hood. There's a 4-speed sticking out of the floor, 355 sure grip rear end. This thing's been rotisserie restored. Its numbers matching. It is a really nice piece. And let me tell you, it's dialed in mechanically and cosmetically. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read the specs, study the pictures top to bottom. You'll find price tags on all of the cars, along with a monthly finance payment as well. That's at volocars.com. Hope you're enjoying these videos. If you are, subscribe to the YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. That way you'll be notified when the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, Dodge's hook line back then in their marketing was 6,000 RPMs for under $3,000. So they're giving you a high performance car without spending a lot of money. And every time you read about these darts, they'll tell you these things will give a 440 Super Bee or Roadrunner a run for their money. The bigger car with the bigger motor has a hard time handling this thing right here. The 340 motors were rated at 275 horsepower. You'll also find all over the internet they were closer to 325. We'll get to the motor in a little bit. This is from a Mopar collector. He believed it was 32,000 miles when he got the car. It's 34,000 on it now. Did a rotisserie restoration on it. The floors are beautiful. The frame rails, the seams, the welds, the inner quarters, the rockers, clean metal. Looks this nice underneath, and it's all painted the same color, bright red. New dual exhaust with Dynamax mufflers, the correct square tips coming out the back. It's drum brakes all the way around. That system was rebuilt. Hoses, brake lines were replaced. The e-brake is all hooked up. Suspension and steering was all removed, rebuilt. The whole front end, ball joints, bushings, springs, shocks, you name it, front and back, all redone. All the steering components are redone. Fuel system was replaced, the tank, sending unit, fuel lines. You look up at the motor, it's spotless motor. The oil pan, the starter, all that's really nice. Has the VIN number matching 833 4-speed. That also was rebuilt. Has a dual friction clutch. Drive shaft was rebuilt. Has a rebuilt 355 sure grip rear end. It's an 8 3/4 rear end. It is the number match motor, and you'll find that number down low where the oil pan meets the block. There's a pad. We have pictures on our website, but that's the VIN number. So it's number matching motor and transmission. This was featured in 2 Hemmings articles. And in the article, the Mopar collector said everything is right. The radiator, the rear end, carburetor. I checked the trim tag and I checked the motor and the trans. That's about as far as I took it, but he said everything was correct and original. So underneath the car is practically like brand new. The body is also pristine. The lines are straight. Everything fits real nice, square and flush and smooth, straight. The body line itself is not wavy. No vinyl tops, all just a red car. Hood fits nice and flush up front here, flush and square. All that's in really nice shape. The wipers are laying in the back seat. More recently, the collector I bought it from, he's super fussy. I'll buy his cars. I won't sell him a car. He's too fussy. He keeps the wipers off apparently just so people don't use them. But they work. I tried them. So getting back to the body net, we're coming around. Again, on this side, the lines are straight, square. The door is flush. Beautiful. I don't see any problem areas. All sharp looking. This is, I think it's F4. I'm not 100% sure, but it is bright red. This is the color the car came with, and I'm sure this finish is better than what it came with new. It's smooth and glossy. It has the 340 4-barrel callouts right here. They're in real nice shiny condition. Original antenna, correct antenna is real nice. Stainless trim's real nice. Could be the original windshield. I actually see some light wear on the windshield. Door handles look new. It's got the Bumble Bee stripe with the dart swinger. Tail lights look like they're re-chromed. Bumpers re-chromed. The emblem looks new. The rear glass looks really good, original. Has painted rims with the Poverty hubcaps. They look mint. BF Goodrich tires have hardly any miles on them. Looks like this is a remote mirror. No, it's not a remote, but the mirror's in really nice shape. The front bumper had a little tarnish on it, actually. It's actually rubbed a little thin right here. The grille is in really nice shape. The bumper's straight, but the chrome is a little tarnished, we'll call it. So there you go. You got a little spunky little firecracker right here. Let's open it up and see what it's like inside. Trunk compartment's beautiful. Under the trunk lid, nice, neat, clean, painted. There's the sticker. The latch is cleaned up. Jam is painted real nice and slick. Weather strip looks new. The whole trunk compartment's painted red real nicely, even under the mats, all nice, clean metal. The spare tire is a new tire, still has nubs on the tread. We do have the complete jack assembly. It's got a new mat, new seat divider. Wiring loom looks real nice and clean. So clean and complete trunk compartment. Door jambs are painted slick. Weather strips are replaced. The inside trim that's gloss black is beautiful. Door panel, armrest. Oh, it is a remote mirror. There's the joystick. Dash pad. This is not a plastic cap. It's an actual dash pad. Real nice. And the whole instrument panel is really excellent. The chrome is shiny. The lenses are clear. The knobs look good. Got heater controls. The guy I got it from So Fussy had the radio rebuilt. So original AM radios rebuilt. New glove box. Looks like the cable pulled out right there. Needs to be pressed back in. Down on the floor, you got nice carpet. You got this crooked stick coming out of the floor, as they said in the Hemmings article. That's what makes it. Just a base car. Look at the base steering wheel. Not a lot of frills. You do have an aftermarket tachometer. Nice carpet, real nice upholstery. It does have the original seat belts. Let me get the seat open. The back seat's mint, side panels, trim, rear window trim. Everything's really nice inside. Headliner's nice and tight. Dome light works. Visors and mirror, real nice. Really nice car throughout. I'm telling you, the guy I bought it from, I don't even need to ask him questions. He just calls up, tells me what he has, gives me a price, and I can say yes or no. And actually, I always say yes, because his cars are always that good. There you have it. Show quality motor compartment, VIN number match 340. These cars came with forged crank, heavy-duty rods, forged aluminum pistons, a potent cam, and I was just read the 4-speed has even a hotter cam than the automatics. Special intake. They're hot little motors, and this one you can see is all original. The manifolds, valve covers, air cleaner with the crinkle finish, and the pie pan is new, and carburetor has been rebuilt. Alternator looks new. The pulleys are clean. It has Mopar hoses and the right clamps, the Mopar radiator, the right shroud, the right clutch fan. Got the washer bottle. You got reproduction Mopar battery. This is not a battery topper. This is an actual battery, all clamped down properly. Here's the fender tag. Here's one of the secret VIN numbers, and it matches the car. All the brake lines, the steering, all of it just looks like new. The whole engine bay is painted beautifully. You got new hood insulation. So there you have it. Now you know why I call it a little firecracker, not just because it's red, but this thing's got some muscle, shifting them gears. A lot of fun in this little car. I said this before, one of my fondest memories, I had a purple Dart years ago. That thing was just a blast. It was so quick. I've loved them ever since then. Restored front to back, beautiful. Dialed in. Numbers match. Go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman. I just gave you my impression. They'll answer your questions for you. They can help get it delivered to your driveway. They can help you finance it at volocars.com. If you're enjoying these videos, subscribe and click on the bell icon. That way you'll get a notification when the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.